Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video will be different and we'll be unboxing today GoPro Hero 7. I purchased this one from noon, so packaging was nice and let's see what's inside. Let's open it. I always wanted a GoPro for my videos, so here it is. I'm very excited. Wow, look at that. It's very nice, it's packaged properly. So let's check out other things. Okay, what we have here, I think it's a battery pack. Okay, let's open this one and see how many batteries they have given. So this one, they have given one battery in this. Okay, it's nicely packed. Okay, so there is one more battery. Okay, nice. Okay, it will be very useful for you whenever you're going to shoot. You should charge both the batteries. Let's see the main camera. I really impressed how they packed, and it came with the nice hard plastic. So it shows what are all things inside this box. We have 12 megapixel camera, 4K 60, 33 feet deep underwater, voice command also you can use, touch screen, 8x slow-mo, GPS, SDR, all sort of things, HyperSmooth, live streaming also you can use. I'll be using this camera for my future videos. Stay tuned to my channel, there are a lot of new content coming up. Wow, it looks amazing. Look at that black beauty. So the box they have given is very nice also. They have mounted this camera on the top of this box. Let's see what's inside. Okay, there is documentation. There is some documentation, and I think yes, and there's some stickers they have provided. You can paste it somewhere if you want. And there is a book, so I'll not be reading it. And okay, what's inside? There's one more battery, so now we have three batteries. Great. And they have given this USB-C type charging cable. Two mount points they have given where you can mount your camera on. Okay, let's remove this camera from this mount. Okay, yeah, nice. So you can see the camera is very tiny and very handy, very lightweight. Let's remove this. Oops, I always do this. Okay, I'm so excited. Let's remove the camera from this case. It came out nicely. It's very tiny. Let's put the battery and see. I think we need to charge the battery. Let's put it inside and see. Okay, the sticker needs to be removed. Okay, let me remove it. Let me power on this. Seems like it doesn't have charge. We need to charge it. Here you can charge. You can insert the memory card here near the battery. There is a tiny place. Let me charge this one for some time. I'll be back soon. So it has been charged now. So let's power on. Wow, booting was very fast. And let's see what all things is coming up. Okay, you need to choose English. Yes. GPS you can choose yes or no depending on your things, is completely up to you. Yes, I'm choosing yes now. So now it's asking me to download the GoPro application from my mobile so that it will connect. So let me connect my mobile. All set now, so you can see the video settings. All settings are here. You can use 2.7K 30 fps, also 4K 60, 4K 30. All sort of modes are there, so you can use as per your need. So I'm choosing which is best for me. I'm choosing 4K 60. You can also change the setting from your phone as well. And also remember, whenever you connect your phone to the camera, so that time you have to update your camera so that there will be no glitches. Thank you guys for watching. I'll share you the result in upcoming videos.